Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Honor X7a, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find about, not about phone, system and updates. Now let's tap on language and input and tap on language and region at the top. And as you can see here, we've got the list of currently added languages. We've got only one, so let's tap on add language. And we should be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find one you'd like to set and tap on it. And let me pick, for example, French. Just tap. And your device will ask you if you want to change your system language to the language of your choice. So let's tap on change. And as you can see, the French language will appear at the top. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got like two or three languages added to this list, then you don't have to enter the full list. You can simply reorder them. So we have to tap on it and hold it and drag, in my case, English to the first position. And as you can see, the language will be immediately changed. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list just by tapping on this three dots icon, mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on remove. Tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Honor X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.